Hey guys, it's John. It's day 2 of my project of filling in the pool, which I realized as I'm doing this, the metaphors are deep. I'll get into those as we fill in, but you know, the loss of my life, just filling in the hole is just the most simple metaphor you can come up with, and actually doing it physically, it has a profound meaning. Anyways, let's go take a look at what we got done yesterday. A little recap, since we're right at the pool. We got some filled in, long way to go, but I have to say the 1025R has been doing a great job. And you can see we don't have a ton of space to work here, so its agility in small spaces is great. And I'm starting to chip away into the bank and getting a road up and around to the backyard there, where hopefully we get a lot of dirt. And if I have to get deliveries of dirt, fill, that's where it'll go. But I've found, using the backhoe to scrape this down, it gives me like 5 or 6 bucketfuls, easy to access with the bucket, and it's not too time consuming to just turn around and knock it out. Let's get to work and I'll give you an example visually. All right, we'll see you in a little bit. have many losses in life, many voids to fill. This letter I wrote to my ex-wife 7 months ago, 8 months ago, right after we got divorced. And I realized it's not for her. I wrote it for me. And since we're doing a video about filling in a pool, it's time to let go. All right, so I hope you get a gist of what I'm doing here. It's a slow process, much slower trying to film it, but you know, I love doing that. I hope you guys do too. If you do like it, hit the like button, maybe subscribe, I don't know. So I'm gonna keep going at it, and I'll try to pick up little shots of interesting things as we go. If there's any interesting, that's for you to decide. To me, they're probably interesting. Anyways, I hope you're all well. Maybe this may be the end of the video. I may throw in footage afterwards, but we'll be back at it tomorrow regardless with a progress update. And I notice I'm standing in shadows, but that's probably a good thing. I'm 59 now. Nobody needs to see 59-year-olds on YouTube, I don't think. But hey, I hope you're well. I'm getting better every day. Like I said before, I'm done healing, I'm growing. So I'll leave you with that. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.